Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to enable sound effects on UserWay's widget. On your site, click on the widget and then click on Manage to access widget settings. Then scroll a bit down until you see sound effects option. Let's click on it and then click on Enable sound effects. Now refresh your site to make the changes available. So now whenever you click on the widget, you'll get a sound effect. You'll see. There it is. And when you close it, you also get the sound effect. And if you want to disable this option, go back to the widget, Manage, scroll down to Sound Effects, and then click on Disable. To learn how to customize your widget's look and feel, enable white label, agency mode, and other upgrades, check out the links in the description below. Also, don't forget to subscribe.